Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Shelly from Dandy's World. So let's get started. To draw cute Shelly, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a really big circle. And then I'm going to come inside and draw another circle, just leaving a little border. And shade everything else in. And then now that I have this eye in, oh, almost forgot. Let's draw some lashes right here before I forget. On the bottom, just 2 of them. And so then from there, let's go ahead and draw the other eye. So I'll say about this wide, and we're just going to go ahead and draw the same thing. There. So once again, inside. There. So now the eyes, I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then let's draw the mouth. So right in between, we're going to draw this kind of jelly bean shape for the mouth. So I'm going to come down and then go back right up and round it off. There. And then right here, we're going to draw 2 slanted lines for the teeth. There. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the shell shape. So just to make it a little bit easier, let's find the center of the eye, just approximate, and I'm going to go out, say about this wide. Same thing on the other side, about right here. And let's go ahead and I'll draw the bottom first. So it's a little bit squarer. So I'm just going to come around the eye. And let's go down a little bit more. See about right here. And go ahead and just kind of flatten out the bottom right underneath the mouth. I must admit, I didn't know that this was a ammonite shell. I thought it was a cinnamon roll. I thought Shelly was a cinnamon roll when I first looked it up. But of course now it makes sense. That's why her name is Shelly, right? Because she's a shell. But I seriously thought it was a cinnamon roll. So good thing I looked it up. Okay, so I have this kind of shape right here. Then I'm going to go up. So the top is going to be a little bit higher. Just kind of round it off. And say about right here, just bring it in, not too high. Just kind of flatten it out as well. And we're just going to bring it all the way back to here. There. Okay, so now that I have this shape in, I'm going to come to about right here. And we're just going to draw a curve coming out. Just kind of tapers in and comes out to say about right here. Then we're soft curve and just tuck it in. There. And then we can come in here. Just give it a little bit of an edge and just kind of draw this ovalish shape. There. And then at the top, very important, we need to draw a swirl in. So I'll say about right here in the center. Go ahead and draw one swirl, tuck it in, and then another one, say about right here, coming out. Right over the eyes and tuck it in. There, just approximate. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the head. So now, oh, and also when you're coloring, just add some orange cheeks right here underneath the eyes. Then from there, let's draw the body. So right underneath this mouth, say about right here and here, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to draw the dress. So just kind of 2 angles. And I'm just going to flare it out a little bit. Come out, say about that much. Same thing on the other side, and then connect with a curve. Then let's come back and find the center. So say about right here and here. We're going to come down at an angle following this. So we're drawing her, I guess you call them suspenders. And another one right here. Angle and then continuing. And same thing here. So the straps. And then her legs. So find the center. Then go to the left. Go to the right. And let's work on this side. Just going to slight angle. Come down. We're just going to get slightly wider as we come down. And about right here, just round it off. And connect. So same thing here. There. And then for the hands, let's have it on the dress part, maybe about right here with the hands. So I'm going to come right here, come down, and then elbow, bring it in, thicken it up. About right there, and on the bottom right here for the hand, one curve, and then another one for the fingers. So same thing on this side. So I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm approximately same on the other side. There. And of course, the last thing I'll do is I'll add a little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Shelly from Dandy's World. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.